Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Hootsuite easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Hootsuite account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, select the Publisher option. In the Publisher section, you will see a calendar view. To create a budget, click on the Create Post button. Choose the social media platform you want to budget for. Input your content in the text box provided. Next, add any necessary images or links to enhance your post. Before scheduling, look for the budget option within the post creation window. Set your desired budget for this post. You can adjust the budget based on the reach, engagement, or specific goals. After entering your budget, select the time you want your post to be published. If needed, you can also set recurring posts for multiple dates. Once everything looks good, click Schedule. You will return to the calendar view, where you can see your scheduled posts and budgets. To review your overall budget spending, navigate back to the Publisher section. Here, you can track performance metrics related to your budget. Consider adjusting future budgets based on the performance of past posts. This will help you optimize your social media strategy over time. Once you're done, log out of your Hootsuite account if you've finished your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.